Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, is calling for more aggressive measures from the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, to remedy what it says is a challenging environment, going as far as asking for interest rates to be cut to 5%. The Business Lobby Group, referring to the BOJ's decision to reduce the benchmark policy rate by 25 basis points, down from 7% to 6.75% per annum, said the move is a positive sign. However, the JMEA argued that more aggressive measures are urgently needed to drive a meaningful impact on the economy. Access Financial Services has returned to double growth in net profit and revenue for its 2023 financial year, which it attributes to improved market conditions. There was a 12% increase in revenue growth, which saw total revenues moving from $2.08 billion the previous year to $2.34 billion at the end of March 2024. The Access Financial Group, which includes the American wholly owned subsidiary of Embassy Loans Incorporated, recorded consolidated net profit of 340 million Jamaican dollars compared to 301 million Jamaican dollars for 2022. During trading for the period of August 23, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited, with 50,482,718 units, represented 41.20% of the market value in terms of sales. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 8,696,831 units, represented 23.14% of the market value in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares, with 1,858,553 units, represented 4.95% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 23, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $44.7 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $44.54 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.50 and bought the US dollar for $156.91. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.59, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 13 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.78 and bought for $116.91. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $9.75, selling it for $208.61 and buying it for $205.88. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding credit after age 50 might seem difficult, but it is never too late to take control and improve your financial health. If you have assets and freelance income, you're already in a strong position to rebuild and boost your credit score. Here's one strategy to get you started. Review your credit report. Begin by pulling your report from all major credit bureaus. Identify any errors or outdated information and dispute inaccuracies promptly. Your dispute should be investigated and settled within 30 days. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I am Janice Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.